Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to slice a photo in Canva using a really cool feature called choppy crop. By the end of this video, you'll not only be able to break up any image into unique creative segments, but also give your designs a fresh, eye-catching look, perfect for social media posts, presentations, or just expanding your Canva toolbox with a new trick. If you've ever wondered how to make your photos stand out by creating those trendy sliced effects, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight in and get started together. First, you'll want to head to Canva, and as soon as you're inside your design, look over to the left sidebar for the Apps section. Go ahead and click on that. Apps in Canva are like little helpers that add all sorts of extra power. You can think of them as plugins for your design work. In the Apps search bar, type in Choppy Crop. Now, this tool isn't natively on your front page. You do need to search for it to bring up the integration, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Once Choppy Crop has popped up, select it to open. Next, pick the photo you want to slice. You can choose any image from your uploads, Canva's photo library, or something already on your canvas. Remember, the photo you pick is what's going to be sliced up, so choose one where segmenting it will create a cool visual effect. Think landscapes, portraits with dramatic lighting, or even abstract backgrounds. With your photo selected, Choppy Crop will ask you to make a pattern. Here, where the fun begins, to slice the photo, you'll click to set points on your image. Imagine you're drawing a path for scissors to follow. Each time you click and make a little line that will become part of your sliced frame. You don't have to stick to straight lines either. Try clicking in different areas to create jagged or zigzag patterns, or stick with simple vertical or horizontal slices for a cleaner, modern look. This part can feel a bit like you're connecting the dots or drawing edgy cut lines in a cooking show, so go slow and adjust as needed. When you've made the pattern you want, maybe 2, 3, or even 4 slices, look for the button to Add to Design. Give it a click. Now your sliced photo will appear in your Canva workspace as a new design element. You might notice it adds all the sliced segments you just created, neatly separated and ready for your creative touch. Here's a great tip: don't be afraid to repeat the process. If you want even more slices or to experiment with different effects, just go back and slice your original photo again. You can layer the segments, rotate them, or space them out for a 3D collage vibe. It's all about experimenting. Maybe try showing some background color between the slices for extra impact. Finally, you can customize your slices as much as you like. Move them around, add text, change colors, get creative. This is your chance to really make the design your own. If a slice doesn't look quite right, just delete and try again. Don't worry if you don't nail it on your first go. Playing with these effects is all about learning and having fun. And that's it, you've just learned how to slice a photo in Canva. I hope this helps unlock a whole new set of creative ideas for your next project. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tutorials. Happy designing and see you next time.